Hi everyone. So from today onwards we are going to start a playlist on unit testing in GoLang. So before understanding how to write unit tests in GoLang, we have to first understand what unit testing actually is. So there are many kinds of testing. There is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. And unit testing is the first level of testing and it is usually done by developers. Now here the question is what unit is. Unit is basically a function or a method or any small piece of code. Now the main objective of unit testing is to validate that each unit perform as expected in isolation, independent of external dependencies. Like there are many popular unit testing frameworks. Some of the popular unit testing frameworks are gomock, JUnit, pytest, jasmine. The one which we are going to look in this series is the gomock. Now let's discuss some of the benefits of unit testing. So the main benefit of unit testing is it provides isolation. We can test our code without depending on external functions or API calls. It helps in improving code quality. It helps to improve code coverage. It also increases confidence of developer because after a unit test has been written, most of the errors has been minimized. It helps in regression detection. So now the question is what is regression detection? So regression is basically a small change in code. Like sometimes we by mistake made some changes in the code which we don't know, and we also push that code and deploy that, and later we found that we have by mistake added some changes in that code. So these things can be easily detected by writing unit tests, and it will save a lot of time. It helps in documentation and design. So while writing unit tests we consider many cases, like so, and we document them in the form of test cases, so they can be used as a form of document like what this function is doing in different scenarios. Unit testing helps in refactoring in maintenance, and it also helps in collaboration and teamwork. Now let's discuss some of the characteristics of a good unit test. So a good unit test should be fast, should be reliable, it should be isolated, it should be self-checking, it should be truly unit not integration, and it should be timely. And a test is not a unit test if it talks to a database. It communicates across the network, and it cannot run in parallel with other tests, and you have to do special things to your environment.